Of the drug, ice more than tripled from the same time in 2008, while ecstasy was up nearly 90%, though there was a drop in the amount of ketamine found.
Takes the lead to ensure the supply of drugs into Hong Kong is reduced as much as possible. In relation to supply at street level, as I mentioned, the high figure of seizure and arrest actually in some way reflected the amount of efforts by law enforcement agencies. The police have increased their efforts in this regard.
If the family did not function as it's supposed to be, school did not function that way properly, who have been hurt most are the youngsters. So they look for outlets.
Ketamine. Authorities say it is the top choice for teenagers.
We understand that most of it comes from South Asia.
Ketamine, or Special K as it's called, is an animal tranquilizer. It's cheap, which makes it popular. It costs less than $13 to get high in a dazed stupor. Doctors say long-term use can impair cognitive function and damage internal organs.
Yes, it would cause damage. First, say for the immediate effect, when you are intoxicated with ketamine, you may got anesthetized if you take a too large dose. It might cause laryngeal spasm, heart arrhythmia, and sudden death.
My parents always provided me with whatever I asked for. They wanted to spend time with me as well. But by then, I wasn't good academically, and I didn't have a lot of self-esteem among my peers. But I always want to prove something. I just really wanted to get more recognition in my circle of friends. Maybe it's outdated to tell other teenagers to quit drugs, but I experienced everything they're experiencing. I was like them 5 years ago. I ignored all the advice others gave me and stepped into this dead-end road. But I do hope that I can at least do something to help those teenagers who are still taking drugs, just to tell them to quit this habit and to stop wasting time.
The first thing he does when he sees me is hug me. He always asks if I'm doing okay. I feel so happy. I can't really describe how happy I am. It's so different from the old days when he was bad.